Welcome to Mathics, and let's do this real quick. This is an exponential equation. One may think adding logs to both sides would help, but this plus would be problematic. But fortunately, the bases are the same, and we could turn this into a cubic equation. 3 to power of 2x, we could write it as 3 to power of x, and then squared. Okay, like this. And with the same logic, the next term will be 3 to power of x cubed. Now you see 3 to power of x is repeating, and let's call it something else. Then we'll have a cubic equation. Now, one thing about t, you know that x, okay, it's an exponential equation, right? So if x is more than 1, okay, 3 to power x will just get more and more. 3 to power of 2 is 9, to power of 3, 27, and so on. Okay, so it's also always positive. So if t is increasing, so t squared is even more increasing. And t cubed will be even sharper. So the last one is t squared plus t cubed. And because that was going to be like y equals 12 is going to be a line, a horizontal line, we're going to have only one solution. Okay, so I'm in the way. I have to go. Sorry, guys. So by trial and error, we know that T2 is one of the solutions. Okay. So 3 to power of x is 2. We need to add ln's or logs to both sides. So x ln 3 equals ln 2. And the value of x would be ln 3 divided by ln 2. Hope you found the video useful.